Dr Mukul sangma nangyalam kaliang persya hakiying dorbar thawan ke jela ula sei da ka video ba pyni ka jingti dewïong beaiñ ka badang yat sya khmat hakawai ke jaka haka jela Meghalaya bat ong ba unsa IT ya kani ka video sya ka sarkar jela bakan le ban pensange ya ka kamti dewïong beaiñ da ka ba ong ba ka kamti dewïong kadang yat sya khmat ula ong ba nakani ka jingbam shimkhia ka sarkar ki brio kila shlur ban le ki kam beaiñ bat menteri rang ba ka jela ukan rat ki sangma udai hima ba pe katnat mining but geology katnat plating ka bat katnat political ka sarkar jela ula pen pauru ba da ka jingyo pisar ka basuk kan lam shaki wei pat ki kam sneu kum ka jing thiet tiar pen mensaw ban seng kin hon le no ula ong ba ka sarkar India ka dei ban shimkhia ban le ya kani ka kamti bat khai dewïong beaiñ ha ka jela namar ka dei hi ban shim jin kit khle.
I think let us be very clear on this issue. This has been happening for last few years. What you're listening to or what you're hearing from the media reports based on what has probably happened in the preceding few days is only the tip of the iceberg. Even as we say now, illegal mining is going on. Okay? Even as I say now, I will show you a video clip. Okay? And I'll give it to the government to take cognizance of these developments. This is actual mining happening. Okay. Okay. With all your coordinates, if it is possible for the LO to have these, government with the whole machinery, how they can have? When not just once, but for so many times, not only the opposition, so many people have been drawing the attention of the government. This is exactly what is happening. Okay. Huge. It continues with complete impunity, with no fear. And if you want to see again another video or another photograph, there's so many things. Loading taking place. Okay. With all the coordinates, which is in Meghalaya. Okay. It's on the 12th January. So whose job it is to stop all this? Whose job it is to protect the interests of the state? And if they are not doing what they are expected to do, what is the reason? You have the answers. So friends, I'm sorry. The way things are going, the state will be bankrupt. People will have more and more tendency to engage in all illegalities because they further get emboldened because of the stand the government has taken. The stand of the government to be deliberately on denial, constant denial mode. So you can ask the government of the day. You can ask the Chief Minister. I think there are many other stories which has come out in the recent past, in the preceding days. You can ask the CM. CM is also in charge of the mining and geology department. And CM himself is also in charge of finance. CM himself is also in charge of political department. You can ask him. We will ensure that this whole illegality is stopped. I'm giving you my word. Yeah, they must stop it. Otherwise, what is going to happen? I'm telling you, out of these illegalities, many more other forces are getting funded, including the group of people who are trying to float new militant outfits. There is already movements taking place. And with this easy money coming to the hands of people, what are they going to do with this money? They are going to buy arms, sophisticated arms, and create the same kind of problem through which the state has gone through. I have flagged this issue earlier also. Internally, when we had a discussion and meeting with the government, that please understand one thing. Access to easy money because of illegalities will always give access to easy money for those who want to raise war against the nation. It's dangerous. So one has to understand the multiple negative ramifications that this kind of lack of governance and quantum of corruption that is taking place can lead the state to. We must protect the state. We must defend the state. I'm calling everyone, to tell the government to stop this. Because you're talking about protecting the interests of the state to which we all belong to. Please apply your common sense. If you expect the authorities who are responsible for emboldening all these illegalities that is happening, how do you expect any evidence to be generated? They will come back and say nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Now we have proved beyond reasonable doubt that this is happening. And this is happening because of the kind of patronage being given by the people in authorities. Therefore, if the patronage is being given by the authorities, how can you expect these authorities to actually do justice? Do you expect a thief to catch himself?